Hi everyone, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Once again, COVID-19, I'm going to do a series of shines. We're going to do something else. Once again, it's just something to help out the community. And so this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do our basic. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Susie Q. Kick 5, 6, 7. Susie Q. 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Once again, everyone, look, have fun at home. Enjoy this. Send me some videos. Let's see how it goes. And just have fun with it while everyone's recovering at home due to this outbreak, COVID-19. And once again, Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.